CiTECH is a subsidiary of the Muhibbah Engineering Group, a conglomerate with vast construction and engineering experience. As a designer and supplier of specialized heat recovery units, CiTECH's history spans over 8 decades, during which it has successfully deployed hundreds of heat recovery units across the globe, especially in the oil and gas industry. With innovation at its core, CiTECH has developed CBUS, the concentric integral bypass and silencer waste heat recovery unit. It is a unique patented system which combines the cumbersome traditional WHRU models into a single compact casing, enhancing process efficiency and reducing operating costs.
The CBUS heat recovery unit system provides benefits from initial design concept through to implementation and operation. The CBUS is designed to significantly reduce platform structural requirements by minimizing unit weight and footprint. Providing benefits for feed engineers, for EPCs and operators. In addition, operators benefit with near zero annual maintenance. Whilst ideal for offshore platform applications, CBUS simple design can be readily applied to any onshore installation.
The CBUS technology boasts 3 key features. First, the concentric coil layout promotes turbulent flow, which increases heat transfer efficiency. Second, the integral bypass incorporates an externally actuated sleeve-type valve, which is its only moving part. This sleeve valve provides linear control from full bypass to full heat recovery. This unique method of process control results in CBUS's zero internal maintenance. Third, the plug and sleeve act as a silencer due to their perforated lining and layered insulation. In its standard form, the silencer reduces a gas turbine's noise output to less than 85 decibels at 1 meter from the CBUS inlet casing, further reducing package weight. CiTECH's facilities are state-of-the-art, equipped and certified for large-scale fabrication works with separate pressure vessel, stainless steel and carbon steel workshops. A 6,000 metric ton capacity load-out jetty is also available at the site. CiTECH has offices in Malaysia and the United Kingdom, supported by a host of representatives globally. We offer complete heat recovery solutions, including aftermarket services and technical support. With hundreds of conventional and over 70 CBUS heat recovery units in operation, CiTECH is a world leader in compact heat recovery solutions.